2020 is a year we won't ever forget. But you know what? 2021 is a year of new possibilities, new creations, new designs. I'm gonna show you how you can make a viral meme in this coming year 2021. Stick around, okay? Alright guys, so the process is not that difficult. So if you're following me on Canva here, I'm just gonna show you how to get started and just get this up and running, and you share it on all your social media platforms or whatever platform you share it on to get you booming across social media. So you pick the photo, you stretch it accordingly to however big you want it, but for our case I'm going to just set it as big as I can so it covers the entire frame. Alright, so now I'm going to go to text, choose something bold. It doesn't have to be the standard meme text, but we'll do something bold and dramatic so that way it definitely gets noticed in 2021. So at this point you'll just go ahead and type whatever text you want, so I'll just make something up. Alright, so when you have your text, you just want to make sure to consider the color contrast that you can obviously see the text. So for example, in this situation it's a black and white photo, so I'll just add an element to make sure that the letters are popping and there's no clashing of colors. So I'll just do a white box behind each of the sentences for an example. Let's make that white. Put that there. And then we'll just do another one just at the top. But we'll make sure to make this smaller and reverse it to the back. And just push that down. Boom. You have a meme. So if you haven't blown up in 2020, don't worry. You can get a head start now. Get busy on Canva, Microsoft Paint, Adobe Illustrator, whatever you have. Make those memes now while you still can.